I've really had the benefit of some fabulous projects. I've worked on airports and various other mega projects. For me, I can bring all that experience to the table now, and that's exciting because I'm at that stage now where there's a lot of knowledge that I can bring, but still also learn. I am looking specifically at project and commercial governance and assurance on the project, trying to ensure that we can de-risk the project even at these early stages, so that we can better get a handle on the cost and commercial aspects of the project, which will obviously feed into technical elements as well. So in the project life cycle, we're currently in the early concept and planning stages. Following through, we will go into a procurement phase and then into execution and handover. It's at these early planning phases that we are able to set the baselines for the project and to understand the financial implications, which will feed into the financial model, which will ultimately enable and allow funders to come on board. For me, this is the important planning phases, to put into place governance and assurance processes so that we can look at schedule, cost, risk, and de-risk the project now in that anticipation of construction. Well, in this early stage, it's also about being voyeuristic. You need to not only see what's on drawings or what people are talking about, but what is still to be developed, what is still to be designed, and ensure that those are incorporated. It's important to cater for the known unknowns through the cost estimating process, and then the unknown unknowns through your risk management processes. And in that, then obviously try and ensure that the costs and the budgets that are being presented are in fact a true reflection of the scope to be developed. And that is ultimately what stakeholders and funders will want to see. They'll want to know that the project is being delivered against those parameters. Yeah, I love airports, and I really enjoy the mega project environment. The complexities of it are complex on the face of it, but everything can be broken down into process, into compartmentalized elements that can be better controlled. I worked a bit on Heathrow, I worked a bit on King Shaka, that's where I met Dion. And since then, quite a few airports across Africa. And for me, they are a gateway. They are a fundamental part of our lifestyles today. They are exciting places. They are scary places to some people. But ultimately, they move people. And they will be a gateway. And this project will be a gateway, another gateway to Cape Town. And a gateway elsewhere for people going out.